All right, folks, it's BeenScratching, and we're back at it again.
Guess who's back again.
I got one of these $150 million cash explosions to scratch today. Over $150 million in total cash prizes, and prizes start at $50. We got ticket number 18. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe onto the channel. We're gonna have a good scratch today. All right, folks, BeenScratching, and we're back at it again. Got one of these $150 million cash explosions here from the Michigan Lottery to scratch today. Number 18, my favorite $30 ticket. That's out from the Michigan Lottery. Got a whole host of prizes. 2,000, 10,000, with the top one being $4 million. There's still one of them $4 million prizes out there out of 3. Chances of winning, 1 in 4.07. With the way we play this one, we got a bonus 50, 100, and 300. If we get that money bag in any one of them spots, we win that amount. Down here, game 2, get a star in any one of these spots. We're gonna win the prize shown below. Down here, we got match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. Win the prize shown below that number. Reveal one of these coin symbols, or a 10 coin symbol, wins double the prize. 10x wins 10 times. So no win all on this one. All right, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get into it, folks. All right, bonus 50. The reason I like this one, I always seem to win on it. On top of that too, I like that if you win, the lowest you can win back is 50. So you automatically are in the money. All right, we got a bell, clover, and a wishbone. So nothing up top. All right, let's move down here. So we gotta look, we're looking for a star. Treasure chest. Uh-oh, folks. Uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding. We got a winner, folks. We got a winner right off the rip. We got a star. Woo! All right, well, let's keep moving on and see if we can get anything else. What's this one gonna be? Money clip and gold bar. Man, I love these cash explosions. These favorite $30 ticket. I'm always winning on these things. All right, let's hit these winning numbers down here. Number 1, number 43, 22, 3, 26. All right, let's see what we got. 37, 18, number 5, number 48, number 9, 49, 6, 7, 12, number 4, 14, 19, 42, that's a one-off. 27, that's a one-off. 36, all right, 2 more rows. 28, number 8, gamblers number 13, 21, that's a one-off. A lot of one-offs. Number 11, let's see if we can swoop back in here and get one more match down here. 40, 38, 44, 46, and 16. All right, so no matches down here, but we did get the one winner up here with the star. Now, before we scratch that one, if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys for joining along with me. Make sure you go down below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe onto the channel if you like this kind of content. The channel has just been growing rapidly. If you're following along with it, it's crazy how fast it's growing. I really appreciate this from all you guys. If you could, feel free to share this out. Comment, send it to your friends that you think will enjoy it. Also, make sure you go up and check out hashtag Poker Days. We're doing a ticket where we're scratching these poker multiplier tickets, and we're keeping a tally going. So make sure you go check that out. Chances are, if you like this content, you're gonna like that poker content also. All right, folks. Well, without further ado, let's see here. Let's see what prizes we can get. 50, 60, 100, 200, 300, 600, 2,000, 10,000, and 4 million. What do you guys think? I'm saying, let's say 4 million. Let's see it. We're gonna start way over here. Oh, I see a 0. It's pretty far over there though. Couple zeros. 50. $50 winner, folks.
Yeah, boy.
All right, well, we're in the money on that one. Can't beat it. All right, well, like I mentioned before, if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe onto the channel. Make sure you click that bell notification down below so you'll know when we've been scratching again.